Tracking what's left of Tropical Storm John. While it's been downgraded, the storm continues to pound Mexico with heavy rain. The storm hit land as a Category 3 hurricane just east of Acapulco last night. Storm strengthened from a tropical storm to a major hurricane in just a few hours, leaving some emergency officials unprepared. Forecasters are worried that as the storm moves forward, it could slow down, dumping even more rain. Meanwhile, in Florida, residents are picking up sandbags in preparation for a different storm. According to the National Hurricane Center, Tropical Storm Helene has formed in the Caribbean Sea and could arrive by Thursday. State of emergency was declared for nearly the entire state. Communities from the Florida Keys to Tampa could experience destructive storm surge flooding. Meteorologist Grant Gilmore has been tracking these storms in our next weather forecast.
I was looking at John yesterday there in the Pacific Ocean. It strengthened 80-mile-per-hour winds within just about a 20-hour time period.
It really, just spun out of control. I was like, where did this come from?
It really just rapidly intensified, and this storm in the northwestern Caribbean, Helene, is expected to rapidly intensify as well, which is why a lot of folks along the Gulf Coast are keeping a close eye on it. It's about 180 miles east-southeast of Cozumel right now. It's been battling some shear, and you look at the satellite presentation of this, and you see how all the cloud cover is over on the east side. That wind shear is blowing the thunderstorms away from the center of the storm. It will move out of that shear. It will move into more favorable conditions as it tracks to the north, and with that, it moves over very warm waters in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and with that, we're likely going to see that rapidly intensifying hurricane. In fact, it is expected to be a Category 3, just like John was in the Pacific, but this one approaching the Big Bend area, the panhandle of Florida, but a lot of surge is going to be pushed up into areas like Tampa Bay as those strong hurricane force winds push all that water from the Gulf up into those bays. Now, the storm will track to the north, but I don't think it has a huge impact on us. While it will bring a lot of heavy rainfall across the southeast and up into the midwestern states, watch here. This is the European forecast model. Tracking Helene as it strengthens, it moves to the eastern Gulf of Mexico. We will see the chance of rain for the next couple of days. But then as we go into Friday and Saturday, a cold front moves through. We could see a little moisture move into the area. A couple of sprinkles possible, still some uncertainty in that forecast, but that would be the extent of our impacts from Helene as we go into the weekend. You see a couple of straight showers even lingering as we go into Saturday afternoon as well. We've got a 60% chance of rain as we go through the day tomorrow. The second half of the week, our chance of rain will be relatively low. And then by Saturday, that 40% chance for a couple of showers possible and mainly south as the remnants of Helene pushes to the north. Meanwhile, we've just got overcast skies, cool conditions across the area this afternoon. 70 degrees right now, and that's about as good as we're going to do. Those mid-upper 60s will linger, maybe climbing into the lower 70s. You see the cloud cover across the region, mainly dry for the majority of the day, but a few showers out to the west that are currently moving across Virginia into western Pennsylvania. They could move into our region as we go through tonight and then into the day tomorrow. It's a cooler flow coming in off of the water. That's why we're dealing with those cool conditions today along with the cloud cover. A couple of showers possible as we head toward midnight across the Lehigh Valley into tomorrow morning. A few spotty showers possible and then more scattered showers likely in the forecast as we head through the mid and second half of the day tomorrow. And then from there, really keeping a close eye on Helene and our potential impacts. Today, 72. That's the best that I think we'll be able to do temperature-wise. Back down into the mid-60s out there tonight. So not a cold night, but still seasonably cool. We'll keep the chance of rain in the forecast for the next few days. And then again, looking ahead to the weekend for potential impacts. Otherwise, temperatures staying in the mid-70s through the weekend with more rain in the forecast as we go into early next week. Jim, back over to you.
Thank you, Grant.